Hi, bestie. I got some Happy Mail from Cute Savings Challenge, so let's go ahead and unbox and see what I actually got. Hopefully all is well with you and yours. If you're new to my page, welcome. So glad that you're here with me today. This is a Savings Challenge unboxing, so if you're into cat stuffing, this would definitely be for you. Alright, so let me go ahead and open up and cut the sides open so we can get into the package. We all love Happy Meal. Alright, so now that we have the package open, take a screenshot here so you can know where to find her business. It is an Etsy shop. And I have the information in the description. Let's see what we have here in this little pouch. This is definitely a freebie that she included with the order. Alright, so it's a little tumbler clip and some stickers. Alright, let me put that to the side, and now I have to decide on, do I want to open up the big pouch or the little pouch? Let's go ahead and do this little pouch right here. Alright. Leave in the chat emoji. Let me know how you're doing. Here is a scratcher here. This is I think this is a freebie. I don't think this was included with the order. But the scratcher with the tassel, that is absolutely cute and I'm about to say adorable. Alright, here's a micro challenge here. It is so tiny. Alright, so it has scratch off challenges in here. And so she made it with the ribbon and the cherries. And the divider. Alright, I have some more scratch off challenges. So I have several scratch offs in here for me to save some money to reach my savings goal. And I don't know, what should I call this? Because this is not micro. This is, I don't know. Because I have another challenge book that's small, but it's a little bit bigger than this, and I call it a micro. Alright, so we have some more savings challenges there. Alright, and you see it has this snap closure. Alright, let's compare this to my LV mini notebooks. It's actually smaller than my LV notebook. Alright, so now let's get to my binder. Yeah, so this is typically what I would call a micro. That size, I think that's like a A9 or something like that. I'm not sure. If I'm wrong, leave in the chat what size binder they considered this size with the 3 ring. Cause I'm not sure. Alright, so this is the binder that I ordered. And I just told her to look at my IG page to get a general idea of what I like. So see my mini notebook against that. And let me get my LV agenda so you can see, compare the difference in the size. So yeah, I had told her to look at my IG page to get a general idea of my aesthetic and what I like. So I did not choose the color scheme for the inside. So I have a savings challenge there. Have a money clip. Have a challenge. Okay, this is not a challenge. This is the table of contents. It's telling you how much that I'll save in each section. As you notice that she adds dividers. Okay, cash breakdown. A savings challenge. Alright, have another savings challenge here. Alright, a savings challenge here. So once I complete all the savings challenges, I will repurpose this and make it into a photo album for my daughter and my granddaughter. Here's another savings challenge. Alright, so here's a snap where you can place your money in the inside. It has some note paper here. Okay, and this is a bonus scratch off. It has a pocket there, an inner pocket, and it has a gold pen with the pen loop. But that's it, guys. So I want to thank you so much for joining me today for today's unboxing. Have an awesome day, guys. Toodles.